Breaking news we're tracking at the moment. Giriraj Singh, reacting to the Bihar poll results, has made a sharp comment on the RJD and the Lalu family feud as well. In a striking analogy, he has compared the RJD to a private limited company, now reduced to a non-performing asset. His remark ties the party's electoral performance to the ongoing internal family friction, suggesting the feud within the Lalu clan is not just personal, but it's political. In fact, Giriraj Singh has said, and I quote, "Lalu's party functioned like a private limited company, but it has now become an NPA. That's why there is a feud within the family." Listen in to his remarks.
जब किसी कंपनी हो जाए डिफॉल्टर, तो उस कंपनी में जितने शेयर होल्डर होते हैं उसमें कोहराम मचता है। तो लालू यादव की आरजेडी पार्टी नहीं थी, प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी थी, वो एनपीए हो गया, डिफॉल्टर हो गया और परिवार में इसीलिए कोहराम हो रहा है। किसके कारण डिफॉल्टर हुआ?
Tejri is with us for more on this as well. Tejri, how is the RJD reacting to Giriraj Singh's NPA jibe? Do we have any formal counter issued yet?
Well, as of now, no. But the issue, if we talk about the feud in the Lalu Yadav family, that has definitely become political, because we have seen that for the kind of comments that were made by Rohini Acharya, she in fact stated that how she was the sideline from the party and the family as well. Not just that, but also in fact she mentioned about how she was abused, she was misbehaved, and her own brother misbehaved with her, and also in fact she was sidelined, and she was badly insulted in the meeting. What we were getting to know in that, there was a meeting that was held to introspect about the kind of performance that RJD gave, or the performance of RJD was during this entire Bihar Assembly elections. And in those and in that particular meeting, it said that Tejasvi Yadav shouted at Rohini Acharya, and that's where this entire fight had begun. And now, in fact, if we talk about the comment given by Giriraj Singh, that now Giriraj Singh has been stating that how the Lalu Yadav party has been turned into an NPA. Not just that, but also I've been talking about it is just a private company, and also about that how they predicted results and how the current results are turned out to be. Because we have been seeing that, the predictions that the Mahagathbandhan gave, they thought that they would be inching closer towards the magic number, or in fact more than that. They were pretty much confident about it. But keeping in mind first what is happening now, particularly within the family, with the women member of the family, Giriraj Singh has hit out overall at Lalu Yadav and of course at the RJD as well. Back to you.
Tejri, thank you so much for joining us with this update.